I took a walk in the woods and came out taller than trees. Into the forest I go. Traveling alone will be the scariest, most liberating, life-changing experience of your life. Try it at least once. As you travel solo, being totally responsible for yourself. When you're traveling with someone else, you share each discovery. But when you are alone, you have to carry each experience with you like a secret. Something you have to write on your heart, because there's no other way to preserve it. Walking alone in mountains is a great experience. Trails cut between mountains and run by the riverside. On a truck, you get close to nature. Trekking is an unscripted experience filled with surprises, which may be both good and bad. We hardly have any time for appreciating the raw beauty of nature. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky.